Did you know that the same planetary cycles that aligned during World War II and the 2008 financial crash are making a dramatic return in 2025? Could we be heading for war, economic collapse, or something even more shocking? Let's uncover what the stars are saying about the year ahead. Astrology isn't just about your love life or daily horoscope. It's a tool that has been used for centuries to predict major world events. From the fall of empires to groundbreaking discoveries, the stars have always been a silent witness to history. Now, as we step into 2025, the celestial patterns are aligning in ways that astrologers say could signal massive shifts in politics, economics, and even the very fabric of our society. But is this doom and gloom? Or could these challenges also bring opportunities for growth and innovation? Let's explore. 2025 is shaping up to be a critical year. Global tensions are on the rise, climate challenges are intensifying, and economic uncertainty looms like a dark cloud. But what if I told you these challenges have been written in the stars? Astrology isn't just guesswork. It's about observing cycles. For instance, in 2008, Pluto entered Capricorn, and we saw a global economic meltdown. Now, Pluto is transitioning into Aquarius, a sign known for revolution and disruption. What could this mean for our financial systems, our governments, and even the way we live our daily lives? When we look back, we see striking patterns. During the Great Depression, Saturn and Uranus were in a tense alignment, just like they will be in mid-2025. And during the fall of the Roman Empire, Pluto's transit through Aquarius played a significant role. It's as if history is repeating itself on a cosmic scale. Let's break down what the stars are showing us about the challenges ahead. Rising global conflicts. Mars and Uranus alignments are known for triggering sudden and volatile events, and we'll see this exact pattern in March 2025. Economic instability. Saturn in Pisces often dissolves old systems, forcing change, but not without chaos. Environmental tipping points. The North Node entering Aries points to a year of decisive action, but also heightened risk. The question is, are we prepared to face what's coming? Let's start with Pluto entering Aquarius in January 2025. Pluto rules transformation, power, and the breakdown of old structures. Aquarius, on the other hand, is about technology, community, and rebellion. When these two energies meet, we can expect groundbreaking innovation, but also power struggles over who controls these advancements. Think AI, quantum computing, and even space exploration becoming battlegrounds for global dominance. Next, Saturn, the taskmaster of the Zodiac, is in Pisces, a sign that dissolves boundaries and challenges authority. Historically, this transit has coincided with moments of reckoning for leaders and institutions. In 2025, we might see the collapse of outdated systems, from financial markets to government policies. But it also offers a chance to rebuild, if we're willing to let go of what no longer serves us. Then there's the wild card, Mars conjunct Uranus in March. Mars is the warrior planet, representing conflict and action, while Uranus brings sudden shocks and innovation. Together, they often spark events that no one sees coming, like sudden geopolitical clashes, cyber attacks, or even breakthroughs in technology that change everything overnight. It's not all bad, though. These alignments also hint at opportunities for groundbreaking collaboration, if humanity can rise above its divisions. But will we? Now here's where things get really intense. Astrologers are zeroing in on three major predictions for 2025. 1. A major global conflict. Mars and Uranus alignments in March suggest a sudden escalation in tensions. Some astrologers point to hotspots like Eastern Europe or the South China Sea. Could this be the spark that leads to something larger? 2. An economic reset. Saturn's influence in Pisces mid-year suggests the potential for a financial crisis. Centralized systems could struggle, leading to a rise in decentralized currencies like cryptocurrency. But this shift could also widen economic inequalities before systems stabilize. 3. Revolutionary technological advancements. Pluto in Aquarius screams innovation. But at what cost? AI ethics, space exploration, and even breakthroughs in energy could reshape society. But these advancements might also deepen global divides if not handled responsibly. One thing is clear. 2025 will be a year where humanity faces tough choices. How we respond will determine whether these challenges become crises or opportunities. From potential wars to economic shakeups and technological revolutions, 2025 is shaping up to be a year of profound change. Astrology isn't a crystal ball, it's a guide. And while the stars may signal turbulence, they also remind us that we have the power to navigate these shifts with resilience and awareness. The key takeaway? Challenges are inevitable, but so is transformation. Let's make the most of it. What do you think about these predictions? Do you see the signs already showing in the world around us? Let me know your zodiac sign and your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into astrology's role in history, check out my previous video on the most accurate astrological predictions of all time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more cosmic insights. The stars are waiting. Are you ready?